Hey guys, welcome to Ipswich Tour Repairs. This is one of many projects I've had. This deck was destroyed, it hit a rock and it got pummeled around underneath it. It made a mess, it broke blades, it bent pulleys, it completely destroyed the deck on this Husky. Unfortunately, the deck is no longer available. There's an aftermarket one for what this mower is used for. It simply would not have worked. So I've basically completely refabricated all the components, all the standoffs, all the mounts. I've welded the deck up. I've fabricated new side panels and new top plates, and then some of the stuff under the mower got destroyed and had to do all that as well. So it was a big job. Sometimes that's what we do for customers when they need something fixed. A lot of parts I'm still waiting on actually, and this mower has to come back. I've fabricated some components that will function, and then once the parts come in, I'll actually bring the machine back on when it's due for its next service, put them on, and then we'll have a customer who's good to go. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll catch you next time.